For more on the level 4 weather warnings, we are now joined by Lehlohonolo Thobela, South African Weather Service forecaster. Always good to speak to you, Lehlohonolo. Now, walk us through this level of weather warning. What can we expect in the various parts of the country?
Yeah, good evening and thanks for having us. Yes, we're still expecting, well, starting from tonight, today as the whole into tonight, KwaZulu-Natal is expecting disruptive rain, and we've already seen some observations of some rain over those areas. Some storms were mainly over the central and the eastern parts of the Free State. Now, moving into tomorrow in the afternoon, to be specific, we're expecting severe thunderstorms to be over the eastern parts of the northwest, stretching to Gauteng, especially parts of the central and the southern parts of the province. That's where we have a yellow level 2 warning of severe thunderstorms of minor impacts that might result into heavy downpours that lead to localized flooding, a possibility of damaging winds, as well as a possibility of hail. Now, in the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal tomorrow, expecting disruptive rain to still persist, but this will remain in the early hours of the morning, and it is also a yellow level 2. So now we had a yellow level 4, which was significant impacts of low likelihood of the rain, resulting in disruptive rain, and it has been observed over those areas, and is still continuing to monitor the situation into tomorrow early morning. That's when the warning will then be degraded into a yellow level 2, especially for the northern parts of KwaZulu-Natal, but still remaining in the eastern parts, covering the eastern parts of the northwest, Gauteng into the extreme eastern parts of the Free State. That's where we're expecting some severe thunderstorms in the afternoon for tomorrow.
Now, how long do we expect this warning to remain in force? Is it something that you will continually revert to or upgrade or downgrade?
No, I mean, for tomorrow, it's just mainly a yellow level 2, and it will last for only tomorrow, because what we notice is that the storms then move to the central and the western parts of the country in the following days into Saturday, as another weather system is expected to result in isolated showers and thunder showers for the northern parts of the Northern Cape into the Free State, as well as parts of the Northwest. But for tomorrow, it's only just a yellow level 2 warning, and it's not looking like we're going to upgrade it. But should it be much more of severe, we'll definitely monitor as well as send through more warning should it get more severe. But for now, we're still expecting a yellow level 2, and it is expected in the eastern parts of the northwest into Gauteng.
Okay, so it's good to know that it's basically for the next sort of 24 hours. But let's talk about this rainy season that we're going into. Is it expected to be a normal rainy season? What are the forecasts looking like at the moment?
Following the seasonal forecast as well as the climate watch of the season, moving into spring, we're expecting above normal rains for the central as well as the eastern parts of the country. But this is mainly expected up until at least like mid-spring into early summer, and that's where we're expecting more for above normal rains. But into the late summer, the most parts of the country is expected to have below normal rains. But we're still monitoring the situation, and we're still waiting to see whether the ENSO, which is the El Nino Southern Escalation, which we use to measure whether we're going to move into La Nina or the El Nino season, we're yet to see where it moves. It's currently in a neutral state, and it's expected to move on into a weak La Nina, which would then expect above normal rains. That's why we're still seeing a forecast of above normal rain that's still expected in the eastern parts of the country.
Lehlohonolo Thobela, South African Weather Service forecaster, just confirming for us that the South African Weather Service has warned of a 60% chance of rain across Gauteng, KwaZulu-Natal and the Free State, and chances of localized flooding over the next 24 hours. Appreciate your time.